Hi everyone, welcome back to Flavours of Light YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to quickly give you a reason why I think you should invest in a stick blender. We've just bought a new one. This is a stick blender by Bosch. It's called the Clever Mix. Incredibly useful tool to have on a raw vegan lifestyle. Why? Because I find it much more user friendly, fast, easy to wash, simple, straightforward, takes less space, and much more powerful than using a vertical blender. And it's much cheaper. This cost us on sale about $25 US. Incredible investment. Look at this. This is beautiful. Now, what would you conventionally use this for? If your pieces are chopped up small enough, it's safe to use without snapping the tip for making smoothies. So if you have like bananas chopped up into small pieces, it can successfully do that. My main problem is this. What I like to do is make salad dressings. That's one of my favorite things to do. And to make salad dressings, I use both a juicer and a blender. And I prefer stick blender. I prefer this over this. When you make a dressing or smoothie with this, what's one problem you have? I'd say about 10% of the yield sticks around here. It just stuck. You know when you make a banana smoothie? So when you make a banana smoothie, it's just, when you're finished, it's just stuck everywhere. And you have to like try and scoop it out, and then maybe it gets stuck into your clothes. And it's just harder to clean. And it's just much more long and tedious than this nice slim. Look at that. It was that simple. This always stays in the cupboard if not fresh and clean. You probably only need to wash this much of it. You can sanitize it just with boiling water. Very robust. If you can see the head here, it's a one-piece metal. That's fantastic. If you can get one piece, that's good. If it's two-piece, not as great. This is more robust. And literally what I tend to do is, and you see my salad dressing, I literally just juice the herbs, maybe the onion or ginger or whatever I'm doing, and the chilies. And then what I use is, I use this to get amazing consistency with the avocado. So I juice some of the ingredients and extract the liquids. And then what I do is, let's say with mango, avocado, tomatoes, spinach, I'll just mix it up here. Let's just see what the noise factor is on this, because that is one thing you have to take into account. But one thing I'll say is it gives you perfect consistency. This one's got 600 watts on the machine for the power. Let's see. Look at that, nice and smooth. You probably just need to do this, whiz, 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 and a bit more, and you're probably done. Sometimes if you really want to get really good, perfectly smooth, like raw vegan dips, you might need to hold on to it for a while. But again, just to look at, no noise. If I was to put that blender on for you, let's just say it could wake someone up at night. So why pay $500 for a Vitamix when you can pay 25 bucks for a stick blender? Again, we need to use ancient wisdom with modern technology. I think a juicer is a powerful tool to have in your life, a stick blender, and a water distiller, like basically kitchen essentials, and a good sharp knife with a strainer, and then the rest is just having like glass bottles around for serving. So yeah, that's it. I say stick blenders for the win. Save money, save space, save time cleaning things, get more yield. For me, it's a win-win-win-win. So Flavours of Light recommends stick blenders. This is the way to go. Grab yourself one, start making smoothies. Maybe sometimes you want to blend in raspberries into your orange juice. And at the same time, if you need to ground yourself, nothing better than having a nice mineral-rich, crunchy salad with a good dip rich in omega fatty acids. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below, and if you have one, no, that's really it.